Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goring Guitar. Ariana Grande, not your typical guitar song usually, and same here, Twilight Zone, but I like this song, and therefore we're gonna learn it on guitar. So anyway, let's dive into this one, and we have no need for any cable here. We have 5 chords, let's go through them, and we're gonna start with F. So that's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add third on A, third D, and second G. We have the next chord, which is the A sharp. I go with the sus version. Again, a bar and still on the first fret. You don't have to bar the last E string here in the bass. So you put their finger on there, and then you need to add third D and third G. Then we have the D minor, and it goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have C next, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally the A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have one string pattern that will be played throughout the song, and if you grab the first chord F, you're gonna play like this. So that is down, up, clap, up. Alright, so that is how you play it. Now let's go into different parts of the song. First verse, you're gonna play F4, A sharp 4, D minor 4, and C4. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Let's play 1 round together like this. Alright, 2 rounds of that, and you fall into the first pre-chorus at 51 seconds in. So lyrics, does she know, and so on. You're gonna play A sharp 2 string rounds, C 2, A minor 2, and A sharp 2. Then you start on the second round with A sharp again, 2, and then 1 down on C. So let's play that together. That 1 down on C with a pause builds up for the chorus. And guess what? The chorus is played exactly the same way as you played the verse that starts now at 1 minute and 5 seconds in. Play the verse, play for 2 rounds, and that's the chorus. And after that, actually, we had an outro left, and that is to continue with that chorus play for just 1 round, and that fades out. Ariana Grande's Twilight Zone, that's how you handle it. Good luck and play tuned.